Matapos mag-post ang dating direktor ng Don Bell na si Miss Mea Cruz Alviar at agad naman nag-like sina Donnie at Bell. At ang kanyang caption na especially one of my favorite episode of Can't Buy Me Love dahil bumisita siya sa Binondo kung saan nag-taping noon ang Don Bell. Talagang maraming nakakamiss sa Don Bell, lalo na ang kanilang mga kasamaan. Totoo ngang maraming nagmamahal sa Don Bell dahil si Sir EJS once mentioned that working with Don Bell was a dream come true, and now he's saying that he would love to see a full-length series of them under Dreamscape because apparently they only borrow Don Bell from Essie because Sir Deo really loves the two. Ang nag-compliment sa Don Bell ay award-winning and record-breaking director. At sabi pa nga niya, smooth it was to work Donnie and Bell. At saka walang ang babait nila pareho. Dahil hanggang sa natapos ang show, wala kang problema, wala akong narinig sa kanila.